Anyway, room 311, La Cala Benidorm Hotel.
Yeah.
Smells incredibly clean.
It does.
Really, really spotlessly clean. Beautiful. Entranceway, things we've not used.
There is a lift to the third floor. We've used it.
There is, and we got stuck in it. But
Once.
Only once. And it was, to be fair, it was
Mildly
okay.
terrifying, but we got through it.
It was okay. Yeah, it was good. So, entrance, it's very compact. This won't take long.
Bijou.
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 Yes. Bathroom. Actually really rather good. It does have a glass door.
It does.
Which, as we know, is not good.
Demonstrates glass door, Molly.
Not good for those of us who are shy weirds.
To be fair, you can't really see anything.
But it is round a corner.
It's just a massive blur.
So that's fair enough. Anyhow, lovely big sink area with a nice big lit mirror, which is great.
Yeah.
Little stool, again. I'm not really sure what they're for, but we've got our bag on it. There's a hairdryer which is
Standard hairdryer in a hotel.
fairly ineffective. Huge shower.
Huge shower.
Shower's amazing.
Very good shower.
Yeah. Dad likes this one.
Yeah.
I prefer the small person.
Yeah. I don't mind being drenched.
Towels and whatnot. Products we've been using. The products are actually quite nice.
Yeah,
Nice
we have,
quality.
yeah. As you can see, there's a foot basin as well.
Yeah. For when you've got sandy feet.
Yeah.
But
I think small but perfectly formed is the description, isn't it?
It's really nice. It's a nice bathroom. I think one of the nicest we've had. So, bedding area.
Yes.
We've got a fridge in a cupboard.
Which has been very handy, hasn't it?
It has. We've been keeping on water in it. And,
water and white
rather
wine.
Lovely white
and
wine.
snacks.
Yeah, we have snacks.
We do, yeah.
Full length mirror, so you can see the full length of you, which is great.
There we go, yeah. Full length mirror.
The bed is amazing.
Bed is very good. And it's not two singles pushed together, is it?
No, it's a proper big, proper bed.
Yeah, proper
There's no
bed.
gap to fall in. It's fantastic. There's room underneath for storage.
Yeah.
It's spotlessly clean. It's very comfortable. And this is the first hotel bed we've had pointing that way.
Yeah.
They've always been that way. So it's unusual for us.
That is true.
Anyway, there's all manner of weird lighting.
Yeah.
So we've got these. Is this the blue one?
Yeah, the blue ones are weird when you just put them on.
Not blue, no, it's blue.
Yeah.
But blue spotlights for reading and whatnot. Dad hates the TV. He keeps trying to knock it off the wall.
Yeah.
Not sure why.
Wardrobes do what wardrobes do, so there's loads of storage. It's quite good, isn't
This
it?
is safe.
Yeah.
There's an air conditioner which we haven't actually
Haven't
used.
had the air conditioner on yet. Haven't needed it because we've got the double doors open all the time, haven't we?
Yeah. So beyond the bed.
Yeah.
Again, as I mentioned, the heated television.
Yeah, no English channels, but you know what? We're on holiday, so it doesn't matter.
No, we can get the news, but who wants news?
Yeah. So it is quite compact, but frankly, we've had more than enough space.
Yeah, there's not much of it, but what is here is lovely and
Its
nice
selling
quality.
point is literally behind those curtains.
How do I get out?
So you just get out and show them the big reveal, Mummy.
That way?
Yeah, I believe so.
Here we go.
So yeah, the hotel is literally in the sea. It's not actually.
It's gorgeous though.
Yeah.
The sound might suffer a little because of the wind at this point.
Yeah, it's quite breezy today and there's a bit of surf up, so that does make quite a lot of noise, but every night so far, both nights so far, we've slept with this door this far open and it's been great.
The sound of
Really
the sea
has.
is amazing.
Yeah,
It's
it is.
quite loud, but it's really good. The balcony isn't huge, but it doesn't need to be.
No, it's the view that really does it. You know? It's really, really lovely place. It really is. And you can see literally how close we are to the beach. Cross the little road and we're right there. The balcony is, if I go into the corner, it's decent, you know, it's not too bad. We've sat here, well, on and off throughout the day, the last 2 days. It's been great, hasn't it?
Yes, the sun is really nice. It's
Yeah.
lovely in the evenings as well because it's cool.
Yeah.
And you can sit here with a glass of wine and just listen to the sea and watch the people. There are just people going
Yeah,
up and
people
down.
watch. Yeah.
Nice.
So that's it. We'll catch you next time.